Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Santa Clara local and long-distance movers near me. For more than 20 years, our licensed moving company has been resettling customers wherever they need to go. We can take care of every stage of the moving process, including packing up all of your belongings and unloading them into your new space. Time is of the essence, so we always arrive exactly on schedule to get your move done quickly. You can also have peace of mind about pricing because we offer free quotes for our excellent, affordable services. You've gotten enough vitamin D to last a lifetime, so you decided to hit the road and head for a new state or country to start a new chapter. With all the things you'll have going on at the time, you shouldn't have to give moving your things out a second thought. Let us load up one of our trucks instead and give you a head start on the exciting adventure that awaits you. We'll pack up your belongings for you with special packaging to make sure everything is safe for the trip. The Golden State is where you call home, so you conveniently picked a new home or office space in a nearby area. What's not so convenient? Having to pack up all of your things and move them anyway, even though you're not going far. If you're moving locally, make sure to get help from our moving company. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Santa Clara moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.